Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you all. This is for my DIYs for fall, my favorite season of all. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the candles that my daughter purchased. Actually, these are for her, but I just want to share them with you in case you are also interested in buying candles at the Dollar Tree. And this one is in a mason jar, and this is a scent called honeydew melon, and this really smells like honeydew. Okay, my daughter likes lighting up candles, and she often buys at Dollar Tree as well as Walmart, and she likes that the smell really is fantastic. And I think I like this also, that even if it's not lit, it has a scent. This one is a sweet peony. I don't know if it does smell like peony. It does smell like flowery, but I don't know if it's sweet peony. Okay, but who knows, maybe once we light them up they will smell like one. And then here's another floral scent, cherry blossom. This one smells good. So these are the three candles. So I'm just gonna set them aside for her. I got this burlap ribbon. I purchased some burlap ribbons in my previous Dollar Tree hauls, and they're the ones with laces. You know, the one with the burlap and the lace in the middle, and there's one there that has some black polka dots. So I'm gonna be incorporating them on my DIY along with this. I also purchased this decorative mesh in green and gold. I know that this will work well in the decor or the theme that I'm going for this year, which is more neutral. I also purchased this, only the neutral colors, because I know that they came in orange and red as well. So I only purchased the ones that are in neutral or in the palette that I'm working on. So this one are burlap leaves. These are like the maple leaf. And there are 5 pieces in each. So I think they're really well made. There's wiring here. And the size, if you could see my hand, they're huge, okay? So for the price of $1 each, I think that's a good price. So I got 4 of that. And then I got 2 of this, and this one is in the khaki or brown color, and this one is more in sage green color. Okay. I also got this. I finally found the ones with 5 rows and in silver. Okay, because you'll probably wonder, oh, for your fall, what are you gonna do with that? Because I make some glamour type. I do some DIY glams also from time to time in my channel, and I'm gonna insert here the link to my latest one where I made a lampshade or a lamp, a DIY Dollar Tree lamp using this rhinestones or diamond wrap. So that's why I have them, because sometimes I do use them for my glam DIYs, and I'm thinking of doing a DIY glam fall decor. I also purchased one more decorative nautical rope. I've been purchasing this whenever I see it, and this store, it's also in our city but a little farther than the one that we have, you know, around the neighborhood. This is probably like 10 minutes away from us. It's still close, but yeah, so I saw that they have a lot of this, so I still have a couple more in my stash, so I didn't buy a lot more. And this one, Excelsior, this is fiber, and it's like fake brass, and I like the color because it's like hunter green color. Purchase this Harvest Blessing. Now you can use this as is. As a matter of fact, I'm thinking probably outdoors. This is how we're gonna decorate, because outdoors our stucco is this color. Actually, that sunflower, the middle of the sunflower. However, if I'm gonna use this indoors, it has to be painted. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of painting the front, I'm gonna be painting the back, because there's texture here. This one is a little raised. Besides, who knows, maybe next year I would want to go for a more rustic traditional look, then I can just flip it over. Okay, so I'm going to be painting here. I also have this Thankful and Blessed, and I like this because it has this metal, thin metal maple leaf. And I am also going to do a reverse on this one because, again, in case I get tired of the neutral theme and I want to go back to the traditional color, I will just flip it. So if this is going to go outside, I'm thinking again, this may be on our outdoors front porch decor, but if I'm not going to use it there, I'm going to paint it also at the back. So just watch out for that DIY. And I have these florals here too, and I went for more neutral tone and a greeny tone. Oh, I just don't like that they're falling apart. Okay, I like this one. This is the mini flower with grass, and this comes also in the yellowish tone. This one is more on the green side. I like it. I only purchased, I think, one of this. Yep, I purchased 3 of this as well. This is called Flocked Branch. This came also in the kind of reddish color as well as the yellowish color, but this is the theme I'm going for this year. This color will work well. So I got 2 of these, and this is called Hop Bush. So I got one in a creamy ivory or creamy colored one. This one is a popular bunch this month or this fall, Mum. This one doesn't have the dark center. Some of them have the dark center, so I just chose the one without the dark center. Yes, because I need to kind of neutralize the dark greens that I got. Got this too. There are only 2 left. I would have purchased 4, but these are the delphiniums. So if you are trying to create taller flower arrangements, these are really great. For $1, that's a good bargain or price. And this one is a cotton. Got this, at least the one with the pine cones, and I like this because it has this dark brown. They do come with the ones with yellowish color as well as the reddish, the deep red, like a magenta red color. Now I would have probably chosen to buy another one if it had hunter green or a pale or cream one, but having this brown is okay, better than getting the red one. Okay, it's still gonna work with my scheme. Now I got this as well, but I would have wanted them in the paler color because I'm trying to do away with I'm trying to change the fall colors for this year into neutral and not the traditional one like this. But you've seen my previous DIY where I painted the pumpkins, so I'm gonna just paint them quickly. There's a lighter orange and there's a burnt orange, so I got whatever's available. There were only 3 left. Okay, so I don't know if it came with the cream colored, so yeah. And last one, this is available also in red, but this is in the color that will work well. I just want to kind of add a little bit of berries. I know that it's missing probably a couple more. Maybe there were 5 here, but I looked and they're not there, so oh well. So I'll just get whatever I can. I know that I'm probably getting you know, not getting what I paid for, but that's okay because I got a good deal on a lot of them anyway, so that's fine. Okay, so now I have a bag full of pumpkins. Last year I only purchased 3 ceramic pumpkins, and fortunately those will work well in my theme because I know I did mention before that I'm trying to avoid buying stuff, but because I want to decorate the other areas that I have never decorated before, I would have to buy additional stuff. So let's get to this. So I got this three of this. These are the styrofoam, the big size styrofoam pumpkins. I'm going to be painting this and I'm going to be decorating this. This one would work. I'll just probably cover up the yellows, but yeah, this one should work. The top should work, and I just need a little bit of paint to upgrade it or fix this. Oh, and like this one too, I probably wouldn't even paint this except for the accessories or the ones on the top. All right, so I purchased 2 of that. I'll purchase this one because this is the color I'm going for. I know this comes in the ceramic form as well, but our store doesn't have that ceramic one. But it's okay. This one, even though it's styrofoam, at least it's not breakable and it's colored the same way. And it's a little bigger too and lighter. So this one is in gold. I like it because it's different in height and shape. And then this one is the flatter or shorter one. I don't know. This color will still work, kind of like brownish in color or copper in color. So I think this will still work in the color scheme that I'm going for. I purchased these 2 sets of pumpkin clips, and they came in the traditional orange colors. They also come in the cream colored, but they're all sold out. So I just purchased what I could get, and then I'll just paint them. So that's it, everyone. Just watch for my DIYs. I should have them uploaded, if not before this haul. I think I will be uploading very soon because I'm trying to do them in series. Although in between the projects, I do upload different kinds of things that I do. I do Dollar Tree DIY organization. I also do some lifestyle videos where I show you that I'm cooking, and then also doing some home improvement. So I just want to give you a variety of things to watch, not just doing Dollar Tree hauls or Dollar Tree home decor projects or farmhouse projects. I just want to make sure, I just want to show you that there's some variety in my channel so that you can actually go to my playlist, and I'm trying to really get them organized so that you can find easily what you're looking for. So just bear with me as I try to revamp my channel as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share to anyone that may be interested in buying items, and there may be items here that I picked up that you haven't seen before. So go to your Dollar Tree and go get them if you are planning on decorating for fall. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe icon, and then after you click that, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. And leave some comments down below. Hope you all are having a great day. Talk to you again on my next video. Take care, everyone, and God bless. Bye bye.